Good morning, cyber traders. Happy Monday. Hopefully everybody's all excited getting back from the weekend. Looks like we're going to have a very busy week. A lot of earnings coming out. Really want to talk about one big stock that we had a big run up right now, the ADN. Let me tell you, what a great little run up. For some of you that are on YouTube and Facebook Live, just want to post up this link really quick right here. But just kind of share it with some of you. And where are we? Yeah, there you go. Okay. So right here, hopefully you guys are probably seeing double here. Not really a good way of looking at it. You always can have a show like double. But anyway, where was it? I came out there at 8:55, and in the cyber group room, just put that in there. Just posted that link right there, 8:55. I said ADN HOD of the day, which was literally, let's bring this up really quick. You guys could see what I got going on here. So 8:55 was right around here at 35 cents. You could see I hit that high right there. And that stock just literally just popped gorgeously. And I'll tell you what happened. Right here, you'll see that there was a big buyer that showed up here. Look at this. Over 287,000, okay, came at 345. But that's not the guy I want to talk about. It's this guy right here that showed up right here for 25,000. He came out of nowhere. I don't know where he came. You could see the stock was really not going anywhere. There was an iceberg order right here around 336, and then he jumped up. And then you had literally, I don't know, couple of minutes, 5 minutes to jump in. And when I saw that, that's when the stock finally went up. When I called it out right around here. And look at it. Things moving up. Beautiful. Beautiful. What a great way to start a Monday morning, right? Nice way to start pre-market. So much fun. Kind of more or less painted day. And you know what? She's still going up higher. So anyway, a couple of people did pretty well on it. Kathleen, one of our diamond students, did pretty well. She just made about 24 cents on it. There you go. And just share that with her. Everybody, Kathleen, there you go. Way to go, Kathleen. Grant did pretty well on it, looks like. A couple other people jumped in it. Who else did pretty well? I see a couple of people in here chatting away. But anyway, nice little move, nice way to start the morning, but we still got a lot more out there. Now, really quick, just tell you a couple of things before we start going through the watch list. I got it all written down over here. Just want to just go over this really quick. So a lot of news coming out this week, okay? So you literally have, where are we? So today you got Bank of America came out with earnings. You obviously see the market's up about 270 points. They said that they're probably not going to raise the interest rate. The Fed's going to raise the rate maybe not $1, but a point, but maybe like 3/4 of a point. You got IBM, Goldman Sachs, Charles Schwab. Tomorrow you got Netflix. You got Lockheed Martin, Johnson & Johnson. These are some of the big ones. Wednesday, you got eBay, you got Abbott Labs, you got Tesla. That's going to be a good one to watch. Thursday, another big one, United Airlines, Travelers. You got all the airlines coming out. American Airlines on Thursday. And then Friday, which not a lot of people need to come out with because it's going to be, weekend. But Verizon and American Express. So a very big week when it comes to earnings. So that should make the market extremely volatile. It is a very good week to trade. So you definitely want to stick around and be around, because remember, we might not trade those big stocks, but those big stocks lead to the inexpensive stocks that make those things move. Remember, cheap stocks end up becoming big stocks, okay? And that's what we got to look at. But anyway, let's go through the watch list. Now, for some of you, you could see it right there. That was our watch list earlier this morning that we posted. It's on the, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube, our Twitter, we will post those links. So we're going to happen right now. But you could see when we started this morning around 7:45, that was our watch list. You could see that though not all of them moved, but 2 of them did move out of all of them. So the ADN obviously was awesome. We also had the biggest percentage gainer, which was the ILAG, but she really didn't move too much. She was on that list, but she made that big pop around 7 a.m. She's kind of flat. What's nice about this stock, she got hammered right around 25 and she came right back down. So we'll keep an eye on that one too. A couple other stocks I want to keep an eye on. DTSS, that was also a pretty nice moving stock right there. She's backing off now, but she was cheap. I don't know if it's just basically probably just some guys went out there, bought a big price of it. Thing went up pretty big right there. But I'm going to scratch this out. I had second thoughts. I don't like it anymore. DSS is off my list. QD, that one, big spike early this morning, up 63%. Very cheap little stock. But pre-market's kind of flat. She is, so I'm not super excited. But at 9 o'clock this morning, she did make a little bit of a move. She ran from $1.80 almost to $2 at $2.94. There is good volatility out there. EVTL, another aerospace stock, big run up the last, you can see it ran, let me just bring this up 2 days, had a really nice move on Friday. You could see it moved pretty nice and it gapped up really early this morning. Now she's on the back down trend. But we could use Friday's support levels to kind of dictate resistance levels to kind of have a game plan where today's support levels are. And then last week, for some of you missed out, we had a couple of nice moving stocks. And I want to bring up UC. So UC was a fun stock on Friday. This stock ran from $4 and just nonstop went to $7. Great runner up. Even if you could have been done around 10 o'clock this morning, but the stock got crushed. What does that tell me? Short squeeze. Okay. So listen, you want to be a good swing trader. You want to be a good options trader. You damn well better learn how to day trade first, because that's really what it comes about it. And you could see for some of you who traded it, you're probably like, wow, thank God it wasn't like the other people that held it overnight. But that one did pretty well. The reason why I'm bringing it up now, I just want to show you what happens, why you don't hold these positions and think they're going to continue to go higher. Some of us will be happy to double our money at the end of the year. You know what? You could have probably, you don't have to kill it to double it. Another stock we traded last week, that did pretty well on Friday too. VERU moved really, really nice, 1550 to 1750. EVTL moved pretty nicely too. And like I told you, this one, sometimes they become a day trade. They'll end up becoming a swing trade. You see she moved pretty nicely. Just like I said earlier, she did back off right now, gapping up early this morning. But you got those resistance levels of Fridays, right around here. You could see it right around this price, right around here. We'll keep an eye on that one. And that pretty much does it, what we traded yesterday and on Friday and what to look on today. If you look over here on my watch list over here, listen, Costco's doing pretty well. BJ's doing pretty well. Those things really made some nice pops. They were good day trades. They became short-term swing trades, and they became long-term trades. Not only that, but they had some good options on them too. Expensive, but you know what? There's a lot out there. Amazon too did pretty well with that one. I think Amazon's looking for a breakout. If they can get past the 1650, we had that good pop right there on Friday. But if she could break out, the stock could do pretty good. This is actually, just to let you know, we are going to be doing a swing trading class, Josh and I, and I know a lot of you have been asking for it. We're going to get it done at the end of this month. But if you look at some of the stocks that we traded, where they are and where they are today, you know what I mean? Like, oh my God, you're like Amazon. Literally in April it was 170. It's down almost, literally about 100%, almost 50%. You know what I mean? There's some good buys out there. There really are. And you know what? If we have good earnings announcement coming out, that's great. Listen, you heard what happened with inflation. You hear what's going on with, gas is coming down a little bit. Still got a lot more to go. But people are complaining about the economy. They worry about the economy, worried about everything else. But there's no better place where you get job security is trading. And that's why you're here at Cybertrade University. And that's why you got to know how to play the game properly. So focus on what you got going on. Traders, go out there. If you see something, you say something, Cyber Group members. But it is Monday, so be very, very careful. Let's not get too cocky what's going on. All right, anything I'm missing I did not call out? Anything I'm missing? Yeah, we just posted the, for some of you out there that don't have the Twitter, that's basically our handle right there on the YouTube channel. Anything? Okay, so we got, and now don't forget too, we got phase 2 that starts, what does that start today? Yeah, starts today at 10:35. So if you're a student of Cybertrade University, the best thing that you need to do is you got to learn before you can earn. got to be in class. They're all live. They're all, there's always something new you're going to learn. You're going to hear from old students, what they have to say, put their experience in there. And that's how you obviously become very good. This is not a one-man show. All right. So let's get ready for the market to open up. We got about less than 20 minutes. So let's get ready. And like I said, don't get too crazy today. It's Monday. A lot of earnings announcements. And let's work together like a team. All right, everyone. Happy trading, everyone. Be safe.